In this video, I'll guide you through the entire process step by step how to set up your TP-Link Archer BE3500 Wi-Fi 7 router from your PC or laptop for the very first time. Let's get started. Step 1. Connect the Wi-Fi router. First, connect your modem to the router's one port using an Ethernet cable. Then, connect the power adapter to the router and press the power button to turn it on. Wait until router LED light turns solid. Step 2. Connect your PC or laptop to the router. Using either another Ethernet cable or Wi-Fi, connect your PC or laptop to the router. You can find the default Wi-Fi network name SSID and password on the label at the back of your router. Step 3. Access the router's web interface. Open a web browser on your PC or laptop, and in the address bar, type http://tplinkwifi.net or 192.168.0.1, then press enter. Create a strong password when prompted to secure your router's admin panel for the first time login. Step 4. Follow the setup wizard. Once logged in, the setup wizard will guide you step by step. Select your time zone and press next button. In the next steps, set up your internet connection type according to your ISP, Internet Service Provider. Select static IP, PPPoE, or dynamic and press next button. In the next steps, customize your Wi-Fi network name, SSID, and password for both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands. If you want to use same SSID name for both bands, enable Smart Connect. Or create different SSID name for 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. Just select option, set each band separately. Change SSID and Wi-Fi password. You can also set up additional options like guest networks. And press next button. Wait while router applying the settings. This may take few seconds. And press next button. Router will ask to enable auto update settings. Turn on auto update and press next button. In the final steps, router will ask to confirm your Wi-Fi settings and press next button if all look good. Select your internet connection type, if any of, and press next button. You will get cloud login option. You can skip it to finish wizard. Now go to your mobile or laptop and check new Wi-Fi name connected and enjoy super fast internet speed with your Wi-Fi 7 router. That's it. You've successfully set up your TP-Link Archer BE3500 Wi-Fi 7 router. If this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching.